NASA recommends having these plants in your house to purify the air and other amazing benefits. We think that most of you don't really know the importance of air quality and how much it can affect your sleep. The quality of the air is extremely important for you, especially the air in your bedroom. These plants will improve your sleep. And better sleep can provide other health benefits such as improved brain function, improved mood, better sleep, headache relief, less anxiety, reduced stress, better air quality, better smell, cold illness prevention. Here we have the air purifying plants that can improve the quality of sleep. Aloe vera is one of the most effective air purifying plants. Did you know that aloe vera releases oxygen during the night? This amazing plant reproduces easily and does not require frequent watering. You can place the aloe vera plant near the window in your bedroom because it does not require too much direct sunlight. Spider plant. This plant has the ability to make photosynthesis with just a small amount of light. Spider plant also absorbs the toxins from the air such as formaldehyde, styrene and carbon monoxide, as well as gasoline. Formaldehyde is a chemical that is a known carcinogen present in various common household products such as fillers, grout and adhesives. Spider plant can purify the air in 200 square meters space. And one last thing, this amazing plant will also absorb fumes and odours and sustain the levels of oxygen in the room, thus improving the quality of sleep. Golden pothos. This plant is another exceptional air purifying plant according to NASA. Those with a busy schedule will particularly welcome this ivy-like vine. It will improve your sleep and you don't have to worry too much about nurturing it. Yes, just a couple of hours of morning sun and a little water once a week is all it requires. It makes a great hanging plant too, which curbs its invasive nature and keeps its mildly toxic leaves out of the reach of pets and children. English ivy. This amazing plant is one of NASA's top plants for purifying the air, and the best thing about this plant is that it's simple to grow and only needs moderate exposure to sunlight. A recent study has revealed that this plant can improve symptoms of allergies or asthma, which all sufferers know can seriously impact both the quantity and quality of sleep. The American College of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology reported that English ivy removed 94% of airborne feces and 78% of airborne mold in just 12 hours. As mold can affect our breathing, it's definitely a plant to have on hand for a great night's sleep. And be careful because it's toxic to kids and pets, so make sure to keep it out of reach. Bamboo palm, or also known as reed palm, is a fantastic air purifier. This means that you should ditch your chemical-laden air fresheners in favour of a few of these pretty palms and say goodbye to airborne smells and toxins. Do that and get ready to enjoy your home's pure, fresh air during the day. Bamboo palm will bring a tropical warm feel to your bedroom. It's fairly easy to take care of. Just keep the soil moist but not wet and place the plant in indirect sunlight. Peace lily is awesome. This amazing plant can boost a room's humidity by up to 5%. This method suppresses airborne microbes which can lead to allergies and also helps relieve those irritating dry noses and throats that keep you awake all night.